And good morning, this is Avraham Saltoun from Jerusalem with part number 3 of Cartoon Expressions. Part number 2 is only available from the website, so for those who appreciate SayWeb tutorials, I suggest to subscribe from the website, because only there you can get complete updates. It's free, you don't pay anything, and you support our site. Now, as you can see, the last expression, the eyes are not correctly aligned. That's why we have the grid on, and we'll be fixing, because whenever we are drawing a character, we want to make sure of consistency. Same eyes, same face, same position on every element. The grid tool is very useful for that. Now that we have our eyes aligned, let's focus on the forehead. We'll be creating foreheads and eyelids. The zoom tool helps to concentrate on the area. Details are very important, and using the rectangle tool we'll be creating an eyelid. We have 4 sides. We're going to click and delete the top, click and delete the right, click and delete the left line, and let's convert to a symbol because this will be reused. One of the purposes of this tutorial is not only demonstrate how to draw, but how to reuse symbols so we can create the most expressions out of a few symbols. And I guarantee you that this symbol will be duplicated along the way several times. Okay, let's bend this line a little bit. Rest the pointer over the line, drag and drop, and bend. When you see a little curve, bend. Now, if you want to move both the fill and the stroke, don't forget double click on the object. Let's place over the eye a little bit. He's not sad, he's not surprised. Now let's rotate a little bit so it creates a natural eye look. And for the right eye, we don't have to redo anything. Copy, paste in place to have the correct alignment. Flip horizontally so we have the opposite situation of the same eyelid, and all we have to do is place over the eye. So easy, so simple, only a few clicks and you already are a master comic strip designer. Move on to the next face. This is thinking face, and the expression element is the fact that the eyes, the pupils, are looking up. So we don't want to cover the pupils, not at all. What we really want is to have a forehead with lines demonstrating strain. He's looking for something. So using the line tool, we created a new layer over the expression, and we're going to draw a few lines. And again, let's rest the pointer over the line, wait for the curve until the curve shows up, and bend. We have bending a few lines over here demonstrating some strain, and the thinking face is more or less done. Eventually we'll add a mouth, as you can see here below. Now everything you see here, the source files are available from our website say-web.com, and it's free. You can come, you can download, and you can analyze, you can learn. Let's create the set eyes. The pupils are down, so we'll be duplicating that first symbol. No need to redraw, no need to redo. We'll duplicate, and let's add a few sad features to our eyelid to create this expression. Let's double click and edit. Let's name, always name, so we don't accumulate funny names and we know what we are doing. Let's zoom in and focus on the regular normal eyelid and bend, because he's depressed, he's kind of tired. Depressed people have a tired expression on their faces. Pupils, eyelids are halfway down. Now drag and drop. Let's rotate a little bit so it looks a little bit natural. And for the right lid, we already know the trick. Gonna copy. You're going to paste in place to guarantee correct alignment, and then we're gonna cover the right eye, and it's going to be just perfect because it's computer made. Let's flip horizontal. Let's drag and drop, and we have our set eyes in place. Again, you guys, subscriptions from the website to get complete updates. It's free. Spam, no spam whatsoever. Subscribe and subscribe from the website. We're done with the sad face, and our next face is a surprise face. The key element for the expression is the contracted pupil, and we don't want to cover the eye with the eyelid. We're just going to add some strain to the forehead using the line tool. Again, the process is going to be very similar to the process we had on the thinking face, just adding a few lines for the forehead, bending them to add some strain. Thank you very much for watching my tutorials. We'll be producing a part 4 and final, and other expressions are supposed to come. Visit the website, subscribe, and again, thank you very much.